Hello everyone. The following diagram shows two identical metal spheres A and B separated by distance d. Each sphere has mass m and possesses charge q. Which diagram best represents electrostatic force Fe and the gravitational force Fg acting on a sphere B due to a sphere A? So the first thing that we need to keep in mind before we answer this question is that is the difference between electrostatic and gravitational forces. So for gravitational forces, always two masses attract each other. We don't have any repulsive gravitational force. However, for electrostatic forces, we have attractive and repulsive forces. Okay, let's get started with focusing on sphere B. So due to sphere A, B is attracted towards left. This is because of gravitational force. And due to sphere A, the charge of sphere A, sphere B feels a repulsive force towards right side. So this is electrostatic force coming from sphere A and acting on sphere B. So as you can see, Fg is pointing left side, however Fe is in right side. And if we take a look at the choices, only choice 2 is the correct one. Thank you for watching.